Want to connect your WordPress site to your social media profiles? Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or business site, adding social icons boosts engagement and builds trust. In this video, I'll show you how to add socials on WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open the WordPress page where you want to add the socials to. Head over to the section where you want to add it and then click on this plus button at the top left of your screen. Now from here, go ahead and search for your socials or social. And then in the results, click on your preferred social media icon style. So there are a few options and this is one of them. But as you can see, the logo isn't visible that much. So we'll try to look for another on the element section. So you can also find this Twitter embed, Tumblr embed, Pinterest embed, Facebook embed, Instagram embed on the social result. So below that, you'll be able to find the socials footer presets that you can also use into your page. So you can select from here as well. The social buttons is also a great thing to add to your page. So as you can see, you can visibly find the social media icons along with the title of each icons if you add that to your page. So I'll just simply add more buttons in here and remove the others that I've added in here to clean this up before I save this file with this social media buttons. And that is how you can basically add socials to WordPress. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.